Hi guys. In recent years, the world of e-commerce has witnessed revolutionary business model now as dropshipping. The innovative approach has transformed how entrepreneurs start to manage their online store, emanating the need of for inventory management, upfront investment, and complex logistics. In this video, we will explore the concept of dropshipping, its benefit and challenging, and its evolving role in the modern business landscape. Let's begin. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep any physical product in stock. Instead, the seller partner with supplier or wholesaler who handle the inventory and shipment process. With the customer place an order on the seller online store, the seller transfer the order detail to the supplier who then ship the product directly to the customer. As a result, the seller does not have to handle the product directly, allowing them to focus on marketing, customer success, and driving sales. The benefit of dropshipping: low startup cost. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Traditional retail model requires significant upfront investment, inventory, warehouses, and fulfillment infrastructure. With dropshipping, entrepreneurs can launch an online store with minimal financial risk since they only purchase product from supplier after receiving order from customer. Flexibility and scalability. Dropshipping offers tremendous flexibility for business owners since they do not need to manage inventory. Entrepreneurs can experiment with a wide range of products without the risk of being stuck with unsold items. Additionally, dropshipping allowing for easy scaling as the business grows, with supplier handling the increasing volume of orders. Wide product range. Dropshipping enables seller to offer a vast array of product without this need for physical storage space. Entrepreneurs can create their product catalog from multiple suppliers, providing customer with a diverse selection to choose from. Location independent. The online nature of dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to run their business from anywhere. With the internet connection, this freedom allows for a flexible lifestyle and the opportunity to tap into global market. Challenging and strategies for success. Intense competition. Dropshipping has gained a popularity, leading to increased competition in various niches. To stand out, entrepreneurs must focus on identifying unique products, offering, developing strong branding, and providing exceptional customer service. Supplier availability. Replying Relying on supplier for product quality and timely shipping can be challenging. Thoroughly researching and vetting supplier, establishing clear communication channel, and regularly monitoring their performance can mitigate these risks. Profit margin and pricing. Since the seller does not have control over the product, core pricing become a critical factor in dropshipping. Balancing competitive price while maintaining healthy profit margin require careful consideration and ongoing optimization. Customer experience. As the face of the business, seller must prioritize providing a positive customer experience. This including efficient order processing, timely and accurate communication, and promptly resolving any issue. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more amazing content.